How's it going, USA Truck? It's Jordan Ray, driver 5865, and I'm on the Truckers Convoy with Dennis Bovey and 6226. He's right beside me. We're finna take off on a Truckers Convoy here in about 2 minutes. I'll fast forward through all this. This will be a whole lot of fun. We're gonna be out here, gonna have my CB radio on. A lot of truckers gonna be shouting on the radio, and it's gonna be a lot of fun. So it's for the Special Olympics in Little Rock, Arkansas. This was amazing. Had a lot of fun. Woo! USA Truck and DB Shaker. I am honored to drive in this convoy and represent USA Truck and DB Shaker. This was exciting, and I'm really glad I got a CB radio.
What's the deal with the convoy? Official. Olympics. And boy, have a good morning, man. Appreciate it.
That's it. USA Truck, DB Shaker. Truck Convoy, Little Rock, Arkansas, Special Olympics 2022. Peace out.